We as humanity, the metaphorical caretakers of the planet, often think and speculate on possible ways that life on Earth may go extinct. The topic of the extinction of humanity and life on the planet is very prominent right now with the current climate crisis we are experiencing. This climate crisis is a strong reminder that life on the planet is extremely precious, and that we live in a universe that scales are unimaginable. Life can be erased from the planet in one foul swoop by anything from climate change to asteroids to even further on the spectrum being alien life. As we have learned over thousands of years, the nature of reality is very complex, and life on this planet has faced many odds that have tipped against it. Until now, with climate change showing that if we do not make improvements within the next 10 years, the change to the climate will be irreversible and will cause many issues for life around the globe in years to come. We are already seeing the negative effects of change with ice caps melting and more forest fires happening each year. What can we as humanity do as a collective to prevent issues such as climate change from eradicating life from the planet? How can our society improve in ways to be more conscious of our existence and of the mortality of life on the planet? If we band together to deal with issues to do with the protection of life, we can definitely put our species on a good trajectory towards being more aware of protecting our environment, protecting the planet that gave us life. We know that eventually we will need to leave the planet anyway, but that is billions of years from now. If we have more people being compassionate towards their environment and embracing the beauty of nature instead of being self-fulfilling and egotistical, causing unnecessary damage to the earth, then our species' possible lifespan will increase and we can hope to pass the hypothetical great filter. Think of it this way: by destroying the planet unnecessarily for financial, political, and societal gain, we are destroying the only place in the galaxy that is habitable that is close enough to us. With our current technology, we would not be able to make it to a potentially habitable world. The closest potentially habitable world to us is Proxima b, and is 4.2 light years away from us, even though this planet is within a habitable zone of the star Proxima Centauri. We know that Proxima b is a tidally locked planet, which means that just like our moon, only one side of the planet faces its sun at all times. I feel that humanity's first battle for survival is climate change, and hopefully when we defeat it, we will get some clarity on how we can deal with similar situations in the future. This will be a telling point of humanity and how long we may survive. When discussing prolonging life on the planet, we must also discuss cosmic events which are out of our control, for example asteroids and solar coronal mass ejections. We know that these occur and can cause varying damage. It all boils down to the mindset of humanity and where the focus of the human race is in the time frame of when these existential threats occur. As we have progressed into a more technologically advanced society, I feel as if we have lost a lot of focus on the direction of humanity and have been lulled into a false sense of security regarding our mortality. I hope that deep thinking and the research of scientific subjects becomes more ingrained in people's day-to-day lives, and that we as humanity can band together to help save all life on this planet. All we can do is try our best to put forward positivity and look at newer ways of thinking to learn more about our reality and how we can further life and our civilization. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate the support very much. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest content on the channel. Much love and peace.